Hi everyone and welcome to another video from DisplayRepair.com. In this video we're going to show you how to change a number plate light. To be more precise, the bulb inside the number plate light. So if you get a situation like this one, you'll know what to do. DisplayRepair.com. Now, regarding tools, most number plate lights are held in place with a Phillips screw, so all you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver, nothing more. Besides that, you'll need, of course, a spare bulb. In case of the Škoda, the number plate lights are held in place with Torx screws, so I'm going to use this screwdriver with a Torx bit on it. Now, the two basic locations where you'll find the number plate lights are either on the tailgate or on the bumper. In case of the Škoda, since this is a station wagon, the number plate lights are located on the tailgate just beside the handle for opening and raising up the tailgate. This is a pretty common location. The one we'll be taking off since it's not working. Now, the other common location, I'll just lower the camera, is on the bumper. It can be located here, all depending on the type of car you drive. So, two common locations, either on the tailgate or on the bumper. Now here we have a good example when the number plate light is in the bumper. This is a Renault Clio. So as you can see, this is the number plate light. If you have a situation like this one, then the common way to get the number plate light is to use a small screwdriver, put it here in this latch and just pull it out. You don't have to unscrew anything. This is the way to pull it out and replace the bulb. After that, once you replaced it, just push it back into place. Now, as we've said, the two most common systems is either the number plate lights are held with little clamps where you have a latch to put a screwdriver inside and pull the number plate light outside so you can change the bulb. In case of the Škoda, this is the other system, it's held with screws. So the first thing we'll do is take off two screws located here and here. So take the screwdriver and take the screws off. Put them aside so you don't lose them. Like this. And the number plate light should come out like this. The next step is to take off the bulb. Now, as you can see, this bulb is all black, which is a sure sign that it's burnt out. But besides that, the cap has fell off the light bulb. In this case, you can use a pair of pliers like this one, so the bulb doesn't accidentally crack in your hands, okay, and you don't cut yourself. In case of the Škoda, these retainers are pretty tough, so you might have a bit of a struggle to get the light bulb out. So we're going to use the pliers and pull the retainers apart a bit, okay? The main point here, and there you have it, the main point here is to get the light bulb out. As you can see, it's burnt out and it fell apart. Now, the common situation is that you don't have to use pliers. It's on most cars you can do it with your fingers. Now for the replacement bulb, we have a new one. Remember, this is a 12 volt 5 watt bulb. Make sure that you have the proper one for replacing. Next, take the new bulb and put it into place. Okay. Make sure it slides into these hatches, and there you have it. It should look like this. make sure when returning the bulb that it sits in these holders properly. One more thing worth mentioning is that the number plate light may not work because there may be rust or corrosion on these holders, or there's a connector right here that may also get corroded and it can lose contact. So if the number plate light doesn't work despite the fact you changed the light bulb, this is worth the check. If this is the problem, then use some sandpaper and some contact spray, clean these holders here, and take the number plate light disconnected from the connector back here, clean the connector and return everything into place. After that, turn on the position lights. See that the bulb works. And now you can return the number plate light into place. Now that you're sure everything is working, it's time to return the number plate light back into place. So just tuck it back in, make sure it sits in properly, and return the screws back into place. Don't leave it loose so that water can't get inside. Don't over tighten so that the plastic doesn't break. And there you have it. The number plate light is fixed. So there you have it, a fairly simple procedure that you can surely do on your own. One more piece of advice at the end of this video: give the rear signalization of your car a check from time to time. Things like a number plate light or brake light that doesn't work, if unnoticed, can go on for weeks if not months at a time. Of course, this is dangerous for both you, other participants in traffic, and you can pay a ticket for it. I hope this video helps. I hope you'll be able to solve your problem with your number plate light. If you find the time, visit us at our website displayrepair.com, where you can find more useful car and driving tips. Give us a like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for your time.